Good day again. So today we're more on discussing about sparklines, and then I will also be showing here additional how to make a heat map to determine the highest uh, highest sales in the data, or the lowest sales of the data. You can easily determine it by the colors of the heat map. Okay, so I have here some past data which I've used on my past videos, tutorial videos on how to make a bar chart. Now we'll be using this one to create a sparklines, and also to demonstrate how to make a heat map. Okay, so it's very easy actually, making heat maps and sparklines. Okay, so first you just have to copy this one. uh, have to hide this one. Okay, so first we have to click insert, and then click this one. This is the sparkline, and then we have to choose the data range. Okay, so there. Okay, then also add again, insert again, and then with the data range here, then click, and then another data range. Oh, okay, so we have to highlight this one. We may highlight this one and then click this one. Just have to click the location. Okay, and then also this one. Highlight again, and then we'll have to highlight this again, and then insert column. Yeah, this is the other way around in making sparklines. There. So this is the trend. We may change this one by design. We may edit this one, the design of this one, to clicking design, and then we'll have to choose a design here. Okay, so we either choose um, maybe this one, mm-hmm, or this one. Nah, or let's have a color green, and then high point is, you have to determine the highest point. Okay, so let's say the high point would be red there. So here, obviously the highest point here is on January, and then here it's on August, here is on February, and here is on February also. Okay, so we may also use, other than that, aside from a bar chart style of sparklines, we may also use the other styles, like this one, line. The same process, just have to click this one, insert, and then highlight the range, and then click OK. Okay, so another way is to highlight this one, then click insert, and then click line, and then click the location range. This is the location range. Okay, so I just had to do it again for Mitsubishi and Toyota. Highlight again, and then insert, and then line, and then location range. Okay, so you can either change here to design, and then let's just determine the highest point also. Let's just make it green, or also have to make this green, and then you also have to color the highest point into red. There, see, you have there. Okay, so cute, right? But by seeing this one, you can easily see the trend from this data here. Okay, so we also have to put the total. We have to analyze this one using the bar chart, using the spark lines. And this one, just have to click this one. Okay, so then here, it will be here, and then insert, then align, and this one. Okay, then highest point will be red. Okay, so that's how we will that's how to make a spark lines, spark bar chart lines, and then spark line chart. It's like a small line. This is like a smaller versions of bar chart and line chart. Okay, but you can see the use of this is you can see the trend from this set of data. Okay, it's easily to see the trend, and then we can also be showing here how to make a heat map. You can also see it through heat map. If you have a large data, then you may also use this one to determine what's the highest point. I mean, what's the highest and the lowest areas. Okay, so you just have to click this one, conditional formatting, and then the color scales. Click more rules, then we'll use this one. So we have to choose the lowest value into red, and then the midpoint is color yellow, and then the highest value will be green. I think that will be okay. Okay, so green means it's okay, and then red is like critical sales. Like it's like saying to you this is critical and needs to be improved. Okay, so just have to click that one. Okay, so you notice the most green here is the highest of them among the sales here. Okay, so it's in January. And you can also notice here that most of the color red are in Mitsubishi. And yeah, January, and then followed by February. You can easily, right? You can easily see the highest sales and the lowest sales among the month, and then among the type of brands, of course. Okay, and then here we can also see it in here, 71, 68, until it fades into a color yellow. This is the median, I think. This is the median here, and this were the lowest among them. The most color green is color red is this one here, right? Okay. So that's the use of uh, using heat maps to determine the highest and the lowest sales among your set of data. Okay, so also the sparklines also helps in determining the trend among the data from January to December from each of these SKUs or type of cars. You can choose from a bar chart type of spark lines, or may use also line chart type of spark lines. Okay, so that's it for now, and I hope you've learned so far from this tutorial. Okay, thank you.